To piggyback off our warm and cozy soup recipe from yesterday, today we're having ramen, which wouldn't be complete without a soft boiled egg. It's day 16 of 30 eggs, 30 ways, and 30 days, and today we're making soft boiled eggs. Today I decided to try an egg peeling hack, which just called for a teaspoon of vinegar to be added to the boiling water. The vinegar definitely made a difference, but I also think I just need to be more patient with peeling. I started by adding my eggs to boiling water, turning down the heat, and letting them cook for 6 minutes. Once the eggs are done, I added them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Another tip for a clean peel was to let them soak for at least 10 minutes, which I did. I peeled the eggs and added them immediately to a steaming bowl of ramen. These are a staple in my at-home ramen and rice dishes for a quick and healthy protein. I still have 14 more ways to show you how to cook an egg, so be sure to subscribe to my page so you don't miss a beat. Okay, that's it. See you tomorrow.